Welcome back to another video. This is Korenn Rachelle, and this is my gluten-free vegan spicy fried chicken sandwich. Let's jump right in. So I'm getting started here with some king oyster mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms for this recipe. I just had them on hand. Here I am making my poaching liquid for my mushrooms. So I have some fresh thyme. I also have, it's called no chicken vegan bouillon. You can find that. I have more details linked down below. So I just take these and slow cook them, make sure they get nice and tender and infused with that mock chicken flavor, as well as the herbs. And so what I'm doing here, I'm just basically shredding and slicing these mushrooms because inside of the chicken sandwich I want different textures. So I'm not necessarily looking for just a shredded texture, but I also want like nice little bites and pieces. Into the bowl goes my mushroom pieces, a bit of sea salt, then I add in my chickpeas and my vegan egg replacer. Now if you have my gluten-free vegan mock chicken thigh, this is basically the exact same thing. So that'll be linked down below. Make sure you pick up the ebook because that recipe is actually in the ebook. So it's just a lot easier to navigate. In any case, so I have a piece of a sheet of rehydrated rice paper, and I basically shape it into a mock chicken breast. All right, and inside of the bowl, I'm making my breading, and this is a vegan egg replacer in with a bit of vegan mayo. And I also added just a little dash of vinegar, so it does have a buttermilk flavor. So mix this up, and this is going to be our eggs. And of course, you have to have your flour. You can use a really good gluten-free flour mix. I find that sorghum flour, usually mixes with sorghum flour, are the best. In any case, I have my spices, some cayenne, a little bit of blackening, garlic, but a ton of stuff. Make sure you check the link in the description box below for the full recipe. And into my egg mixture. Now this is much better if you do it on a plate, but I had already made it in the bowl. But in any case, so from the bowl to the flour, then back inside of our wet vegan egg mixture. And you want to be very gentle with this. You don't have to leave this uncooked. If you go ahead and cook your mock mixture, shaping it into chicken breasts and bake them or fry them and then bread them afterward, that would work as well. You wouldn't have to be as delicate and tender with it. So at this point, I'm just covering it for a second time in my seasoned flour. And don't be scared to really press the flour on, but you want to keep in mind to be gentle because you don't want to ruin that nice breading you've developed. So I shake off the loose flour and right into a pan of sizzling hot oil. Flip this over. As you can see, it's getting really great texture. Nice and crispy. You got all those nooks and crannies. And this is done. So I got started on this plate. I ended up switching to a different plate. And I also lost a bit of the footage. But I'll link below what this mock chicken looks like inside. If you've seen my Caribbean curry chicken, then you've seen the mock chicken, the mock gluten-free chicken. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures. And check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time. If you haven't done so already, go get you a copy of my ebook, Everyday Vegan Food, an introduction to the versatility of vegan cooking. If you're enjoying the content, you like what I do here, don't forget to support the cause. I'll see you next time.